Hello YouTubers, this is a Samsung tablet 2.7. There's not any charging. As you can see on the screen, it is flicking on and off. Not doing full cycle before it comes off. So what you need to do is get the mains power. Click it in. Once this is on, you can get a multimeter, one of these, and check the charge on it if it's coming through. That'll show you. It'll be under 4. I'll just put this on for temporary, the back cover, because you will need to reconnect everything to the back before you want to use it, because now the screen is not going to come on at all. Okay, and then give it half an hour at least. But for this video I'm going to show you quickly. It does work. Undo this, I'll put it back in again and see what happens. See that? Boom, it's ready, charging now, and you should do the same thing. I'll be working like that good. And do not turn it on, because it'll just turn off. Let it charge for a full half an hour and then you'll be ready. and don't let the charge drop again when you're using it, because you'll have to open it up again. And consider buying a new battery. And when you buy a new battery, do the same thing, and it should work. I bought a tablet of some guy on eBay. He said he's bought a new battery and nothing's happened. I'm just soldering it and I've done well on it. So everything's back on. Put the cover back on. Let's find the camera. Should be down there. So when this is on, flip everything out. It's not easy with one hand, as you can see. I'm going to leave it as that. This is the end of this video. I'll press a button for you just to see if it is charging. As you can see, it's still charging. It's doing good. I'm not going to turn it on, so leave it charge as normal and be happy days. Thank you, and please like and share this video.